Designing an interior with a Pablo Escobar-inspired style can be challenging, as it's essential to approach it with sensitivity and respect for the historical context. While Pablo Escobar was a notorious drug lord, his influence on interior design can be characterized by opulence, luxury, and a mix of modern and vintage elements. Here are some tips for creating an interior design style inspired by the era and aesthetics associated with Pablo Escobar. 1. Rich color palette. The rich color palette is the foundation of this design style. Deep, opulent colors like warm ivory, slate gray, and antique white adding a touch of authenticity to the colonial look. Gold accents add a touch of extravagance. These colors create a sumptuous ambiance that is central to the Pablo Escobar-inspired aesthetic. 2. Luxurious materials. The choice of materials is crucial in capturing the essence of luxury. Velvet, silk, and satin upholstery and draperies provide a tactile sense of opulence. The smooth, shiny surfaces of these materials contrast beautifully with the deep colors and contribute to the overall feeling of decadence. 3. Antique and vintage furniture. Incorporating antique and vintage furniture pieces adds character to the design. Ornate wooden tables, plush leather couches, and gilded mirrors reflect the opulence of the era. The mix of styles, from classic to contemporary, creates a timeless and eclectic look. 4. Art Deco influence. Art Deco elements, with their geometric patterns and metallic accents, pay homage to the era's design influences. These elements add a touch of sophistication and elegance to the space, making it feel like a bygone era of glamour. 5. Tropical greenery. Tropical plants and palms not only nod to the Colombian landscape but also introduce a sense of exoticism. They bring a natural, vibrant element into the design, creating a harmonious balance with the luxurious interior elements. 6. Gold and brass accents. Gold and brass accents, whether in fixtures, lighting, or decor items, are synonymous with wealth and opulence. These accents catch the eye and contribute to the overall feeling of lavishness. 7. Vintage technology. Vintage technology items like old rotary phones, record players, or typewriters serve as decorative pieces and conversation starters. They offer a sense of nostalgia and harken back to an era when such items were considered cutting edge. 8. Dark wood finishes. Dark wood finishes for flooring, furniture, and cabinetry add warmth and richness to the space. The deep, earthy tones of these finishes complement the opulent color palette and create a sense of coziness. 9. Statement art and portraits. Large, dramatic paintings or portraits of iconic figures from the era serve as focal points in the design. These art pieces not only add visual interest but also convey the historical context and cultural significance of the time. When combining these elements in your interior design, it's essential to maintain a sense of balance and harmony. While paying homage to the aesthetics of the era, remember to be respectful of the historical context and avoid glamorizing the negative aspects associated with Pablo Escobar. This style should ultimately evoke the opulence and cultural richness of that time without romanticizing criminal activities.